I work nights, so I'm up at night. Well, you don't live here.
So anyways, what are we waiting for? Can we go? No, are we being ashamed? We're just going to stand here and look at each other or what? That's what it seems like.
You can load up. Tell me more about the car. That's all. I just would.
So you don't need us to do that?
Yeah. I don't know you want, but
You guys got a lot of stuff. You guys got a lot of crap to do.
Well, we got a call about the two of you at 2 o'clock in the morning in a structure, again, where things get broken into and cars get stolen.
and you came up on us, and what were we doing?
I have no idea when I first pulled up. And then, of course, when I asked you what you were doing, he said nothing, and you said washing your car. And then when I mentioned washing the car, you said, no, I didn't say that. So that gives me further...
I never said that.
You did.
Anyway, we were washing the car.
What's it look like we're doing?
No idea.
Washing a fucking car. Or at least
So you said you plan on moving your car into the garage? Ma'am?
yeah. I mean, now I'm probably just going to go to his house so I can go.
Well, actually, that'd be smart, because if you were to get
Get it.
Ma'am, that's actually a smart idea, because if you were to get in your car and try to drive off, you'd be pulled over because you'd be driving without a license.
I have a driver's license.
Not on you, though.
I would just go inside and get my driver's license, and then I'd come out, and then I'd drive my car. So I'd bring all the rest of my stuff with me, and I mean, that's common sense. If I live right there, my stuff is right there.
14 years. Yeah, she's advising that she lives here next to you.
I don't want to really tell my car. But
Ma'am, hands on the pockets, please. All right, so where are you guys headed?
I don't know. Does it matter?
Yeah, it does matter.
To who?
To me.
Well, yeah.
Thanks,
who are
Dad.
you? You're a stranger to me. I'm not telling you where I'm going or where I'm
You know,
going.
I'm not a stranger. I'm a uniformed police officer.
You're still a stranger. I don't know you. You're just a man to me.
we are probably less
You're just another
safe
person.
right now than if we were if you were not
person,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
You're less safe.
You have no
because
authority
you're
over us right now. We're not
Yeah,
committing.
actually, I have
No,
authority.
we're not committing any crimes.
Sir,
What?
let me explain something to you.
Go ahead. Explain what you want.
BART may be a public entity where you actually are allowed to ride BART because it's a public transit system, but you are actually on private property because BART is actually a private entity.
Did they
You
call
are-
in?
You are on BART property.
You didn't ask us to leave.
I haven't asked you to leave yet. No,
Okay,
of course
so what's
not.
the problem?
But you're telling me that I have no authority. You are talking to a BART police officer on BART property.
I haven't committed a crime.
I'm investigating a crime.
What
Or I'm sorry,
crime?
I'm
What crime are you
investigating
investigating?
Possibility of a crime. I mean,
What
correction.
What's the possibility of what crime?
Again, like I said, well-known area for cars to be broken into, vandalized, stolen.
That has nothing to do with me.
Nobody said it did. But when we get a call saying two individuals at 2 o'clock in the morning are around the car parked here and they have tools and machinery,
Well, she's around her car, and we.
Listen, guys, let's be reasonable, okay?
Reasonable.
At 2 in the morning,
The time of
listen,
day does not matter to
it
me.
does, it does.
Doesn't matter. No, it
A
doesn't.
reasonable
No, it does not
person,
matter.
a reasonable
Reasonable-
person does not go to BART at 2 in the morning to wash your car. Honestly, from first glance, I would have assumed that you guys were trying to siphon gas or something because I didn't know what that was.
'Cause
I didn't know what
it's a
that was. And it is a
generator.
very common thing. So that is reasonable for us to assume that you are doing something that you shouldn't be doing because it isn't.
Because of your ignorance.
wow.
It's not ignorance. I'm trying
You
to
don't know what this
explain-
is. You don't know what this is. This is a generator that has gas in
Again,
it.
I said at first glance, okay?
Yeah.
That is what I assumed because I saw that and I saw the hose, okay?
Well, that was pretty easy to figure out that that's not what's going on.
Okay. But understand again,
And
it
you're
is
still
very
here talking to us.
okay. So it doesn't sound like we're going to get anywhere.
No,
because you
exactly.
just-
I know we're not going to get anywhere.
Because-
You guys
Because we're not doing anything
authority
illegal.
right
You're not
now.
understanding the whole.
I don't need-
We legally have a right to contact you. 'cause
You
it
can
is not-
contact me all you want, but I don't have to answer your questions.
And based
I
on
don't even
reason-
have to talk to you.
And based off of reasonable suspicion, we have a right to detain you, and then you have to give us your
Are we
information.
being detained?
That's the thing.
I don't have to give you.
Are we
anything.
being
You're not gonna
detained?
get anything from me right now. You're not going to get my name.
Well, I can tell you right now, if I decide to move this into a detainment,
Are we
if
being
I
detained right
decided
now?
to take this into a detainment, then you would have to give me your name, because if not, then I would cart you down to Santa Rita.
You'd be violating my rights.
I would not. When I have
Then
reason,
let's go. Let's go then. Let's go. Let's
Sir,
go.
I'm not
I'm
your-
not stupid. I'm not ignorant. I know my rights. I'm not gonna help you investigate something that's not a crime at all. You guys got tons of shit to do around here. You're just messing with us.
we're not here to mess with you.
I'm not
That's
getting
what
in
you're
my-
doing.
No
We're
matter
getting
what
out
you're
listening.
doing. No
We
matter
got
what
a
you say.
call.
I haven't committed any crime.
Okay.
I don't care if you got a call. You could get 5, 10 calls. You rolled up. You see what we're doing. You should call the person back that called you and say,
They're not doing anything.
I didn't know that.
Because what are we
You know
doing?
it now.
And like my partner said, again,
You know it now. So.
What is there more to
Could I-
investigate?
But I don't need you to tell me how to do my job and what my rights are and what you
I'm
can
telling you
and
what I
can't
know
do,
what my
etc.
rights are.
Correct. However,
And that's what
again,
I'm telling you. I'm not telling you how to do your job.
Okay.
You can ask me anything you want. But I'm not letting you violate my rights. And I
I
know that
wouldn't
right
be
now
right.
that I don't have to give you anything.
I wouldn't
I'm
be
not going
violating
to.
your rights.
Well, you're trying to.
No,
You're
I'm
trying to
not.
get my name out of me.
All right.
And I don't know you, so I got no reason to give you my name.
Okay. So, again, where are you guys headed?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. So, what I would like for you to do, because you are on BART property, is I want you to gather your stuff, and I would like for you to leave. If you do not want to leave, then you're in violation of 602, which is trespassing.
I don't have a problem with leaving.
Well, I'm advising you right now, which is your legal right, and I'm advising you, both of you, that if you do not get off this property as an agent of BART and as a police officer in the state of California, if you do not leave this property,
So you're trespassing us from the property?
correct, 100%.
So you're
She
going
can come back.
to give it to us in writing?
I don't have to give it to you in writing. I can give it to you verbally, and by law, verbal is enough.
So I can't ride BART now?
Did I say that?
I'm asking you.
Okay, if you're going to
I'm
play
trying-
games,
I'm
I'm not going to talk over you.
I'm
So-
not going to talk over you. You don't have authority here.
I have authority here.
Am I being detained or can I go?
You're asking a question about riding BART.
Yeah,
all I
because I'm
said,
looking for clarification.
all I said is that you are trespassed from here. That means for today, tonight.
Fucking retards.
Can you handle that by yourself?
Have you ever imagined being stopped by property security, asked to reveal where you live, and threatened with detention just for going out at night? In this video, a tense confrontation erupts between a resident and property security over something that seems completely ordinary, just stepping outside. Watch until the very end to see the full intense encounter, and don't forget to comment your thoughts. Would you side with the resident or the security?
One last time, are you refusing to leave the property or identify your residency?
I'm about to go to the store.
Okay, so go. Get moving. If I see you back on property, you'll be detained. You do not live on property. You refuse to identify. And you're refusing to
Who are
leave.
you, dude?
Property security is what we're here
You
for.
haven't identified yourself.
I'm property security. I'm with Front Range
Yeah, I
Patrol,
don't know who,
33.
what's your name?
I don't have to give you my name. I'm not a
What's your
police
name?
officer. You don't pay my
I
paycheck.
don't have to
My
give you- I
taxes,
don't
your
have to give
taxes
you- I
don't
don't
do
have to
nothing
give you
about
my
me,
name.
but your taxes have nothing to do with me.
I don't have to give you my name, dude.
Okay, so I'm asking you to step out the vehicle now, man. I'm not going to do this with you tonight.
You're gonna open my vehicle?
Absolutely. You're on private property. You're refusing to
I live-
identify, and
I
you're
live-
refusing to leave
I live
private
here.
property. Okay, what unit?
I live here.
What unit?
I live here.
So I can advise property management.
Who are you, dude?
Who on their property is acting like
Who
an
are you,
absolute
dude?
child? Making threats.
Make a threat?
Yeah, you told me, do you really want to do this right now? When I simply asked you to turn the music down and stop smoking in the parking garage.
I turned it down.
As far as I'm concerned, that's a threat.
I turned it down.
And I also advised you that you
Turn
need
it
to
down.
identify
And you
yourself.
open- and you open
or
my
at the
door.
very, yeah, because you're on private property.
No, I live here.
I don't care.
I live here, dude.
I don't care. You will I've refused on several occasions.
Dude,
You've been asked several times
I'm about
what
to go.
unit you live in.
I'm about to go to the store.
Well, it's too late for that now.
No, it's
now
not.
we're waiting for my partner.
No, it's not, dude.
Yeah, we are.
You open my door, man. I'm about to go, nigga. What this stupid ass nigga talking about? Nigga, I'm about to go. What the fuck is this dude talking about? This stupid motherfucker. I'm about to go, nigga. Now this dude want to block me from leaving.
So you claim to be a resident? Are you going to tell me what unit you live in?
I'm trying to leave, dude.
Okay, so here's how it's going to go, man.
I'm trying to leave, bro.
What the deal is.
I'm trying to
Oh,
leave.
cool. So now you're willing to hear me.
I'm trying to leave,
Okay, so
man.
here's how it goes, man.
I'm trying to
You're
leave,
refusing
dude.
to identify what unit you live in.
I'm trying to leave,
And
dude.
as soon as you're questioned about it, you're like, oh, I actually live here. Oh,
I do.
Now that they're actually going to do something, I'm going to decide to
I
leave
do.
the property. So as far as we're concerned, you are not a resident of this property. If I see you on property again, you will be detained. If
Okay.
I see your car here, unless, again, I don't see any sort of permit. If I see your car in the parking lot again, it will be towed. You understand?
No, I don't, but okay.
No, it will.
I hear
It will.
you.
Okay. So are you going to come back to the property? Or
I
you
hear
understand?
you. I hear you.
You hear me? Awesome. Have a good night, child.
You goofy nigga. This motherfucker want to block me. Yeah, get the fuck out the way, bitch. Try it, stupid.
From these two videos, we can clearly see the clash between citizens' rights and the authority of police or property security. One side insists they are simply doing normal activities or living on the property, while the other side relies on authority to check and demand information. Situations like these raise the question, are privacy and residents' rights being violated? What about you? Who would you side with in these situations? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our analysis of similar real-life encounters.